Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to read our chapter number 4, Sorting Materials into Groups. Name of unit is Materials, and topics to be covered are objects around us, properties of materials. This is your science book, chapter 4, Sorting Materials into Group. Sorting materials into group objects around us. Here in figure 4.1 you can see many different objects around us. I hope you all have your textbook. First of all, you should read the lesson in textbook in details. Here is a table 4.1, objects and material they are made. Some activities are given in these chapters. Different types of objects that are made from some materials. We have objects and the materials by which they made. Properties of materials. Activity 3, hardness, soluble or insoluble. Activity 4, what disappears, what doesn't. Look at in the picture. Mixing different solid materials in waters, soluble and insoluble, solubility of some common liquids in water. You can see figure A and B. Some liquid mix well with water while some other do not, like oil. Objects may float or sink in water, as you know. Figure 4.6, some objects float on water while others sink in it. Transparency. Transparency means you can look beyond the object, through the object, like transparent bottles in shop. Activity 6, translucent. Thus torchlight passes through your palm. This is the example of translucent. Now we are going to read summary of the chapter. Objects around us are made up of a large variety of materials. A given materials could be used to make a large number of objects. It is also possible that an object could be made of a single material or of many different types of materials. Different type of materials have different properties. Some materials are shiny in appearance while others are not. Some are enough, some are not enough, some are rough, some smooth. Similarly, some materials are hard whereas some other are soft. Some materials are soluble in water whereas some others are insoluble in water. Some materials such as glass are transparent and some others such as wood and metals are opaque. Some materials are translucent. Materials are grouped together on the basis of similarities and difference in their properties. Things are grouped together for convenience and to study their properties. Once again, chapter in a nutshell. A large variety of materials and objects are found around us. Any matter or substance used for making an object is called materials. For example, cotton is used for making bed sheets. Cotton is the material and bedsheet are the objects. One materials can be used to make many different objects. For example, iron is used for making utensils, tools, parts of machine and so on. One single object can be made of many different materials. For examples, a pen may be made with plastic and aluminium. The materials for making an object is chosen on the basis of their usage of the object. Properties of the materials. Materials are classified or grouped on the basis of similarity or difference in their properties. Materials can be grouped in a number of ways, that is based on their number 1, luster, lustrous or non-lustrous, hardness, soft or hard, solubility, soluble in water or insoluble, texture, rough or smooth, transparency, transparent, translucent and opaque. Classify or group materials make it simpler for us to identify and locate them and study their properties. Certain objects such as wooden plank float on water while other like metal balls sink into it. Now we are discussing important terms and definitions. Keywords. Classification. Group of different materials on the basis of their size, shape and color, smell, uses, etc. is known as classification of material. Lusters. Material which have natural shine on them are known as lustrous materials. Metals such as aluminium, gold, silver are lustrous materials. Non-lustrous materials which do not have natural shine to them are known as non-lustrous materials. Unpolished wood is usually non-lustrous. Hard and soft materials which can be scratched easily are soft, and one which cannot be scratched are hard. Crayons are the soft and wooden cricket bat is hard. Soluble and insoluble. Substances which appear completely upon mixing into water are called water soluble, and those which do not are called water insoluble. Salt is soluble in water, whereas sand is insoluble in water. Rough and smooth. Materials having bumps or ridges on which can be felt upon touching them, such as sandpaper, are rough, and those that do not have any bumps and ridges, such as silk, are smooth. Transparent and translucent materials which allow light to pass through them, such as glass, are called transparent. Translucent materials which allow some light to pass through them, such as wax, paper, are called translucent. Opaque materials which do not allow light to pass through them, such as wooden board, are called opaque. Materials which make a sonorous sound upon being struck, such as a big copper pot, are known as metal. Solution: a homogeneous mixture of two or more substances, such as mixture of sugar and water, is called solution. Objects around us. We find a vast number of objects around us. These objects can be classified in various ways: living and non living, plants and animals, natural and man made, edible and non edible, etc. We can also classify them on the basis of their shape, uses, materials which they are made, and so on. Some materials can be used to make many different objects. Also, a single object may be made from many different types of materials. Activity 1: Object. Plates. Materials: they are made up of stainless steel, brass, aluminum, plastic, bone china. Object: tumblers. Materials: they are made up of stainless steel, aluminum, plastic. Object: book. Materials: they are made up of paper, cardboard. Objects: pens, plastic and metals. Chair: wood, plastic and metals. Similarly, activity 2: materials: wood. Objects made from these materials are chair, table, pencil, door, window, frames. Paper. Objects made from materials like paper, books, notebooks, newspaper, calendar. Material: leather. Objects made from leather: belt, shoes, bags. Material: plastic. Objects made from plastics: pen, toys, water bottle, bucket, tiffin box, etc. Object: cotton. Objects made from these materials are cloths, bed sheets, pillows, and other items like these. Let us recall what you have read. State whether the following statements are true or false. Grouping together things with similar properties is called classification. Answer is true. Objects are made of one material only. False. One materials can be used for making many different types of objects. Answer true. Multiple choice questions. What is the purpose of classification of materials? Your options are decoration, covering less space, convenience, none of these. Answer is convenience. What of the following object is made from the wood? Bed boxes, doors, cutting boards, all of these. Answer is all of these. Fill in the blanks. Living things are classified into blank and blank. Answer is plants and animals. Second blank. All objects around us are made from one or more materials. Answer in one sentences. Name few materials that are used for making school bags. School bags are made from cotton, jute, nylon cloth with plastic or metallic parts. Name of the few objects made from glass. Answer is jug, bowl, bottle, cup, test tube, etc. are made from the glass. Activity 3. Lustrous materials copper, aluminium, iron. Non lustrous materials paper, cardboard, wood, plastic, sandpaper, etc. Multiple choice question. Which of the following is translucent substance? Sandpaper, wood, oily paper, water. Your answer is translucent is oily paper. Which of the following floats on water? Coconut oil, honey, stone particles, metal balls. Answer is coconut oil. Which of the following is insoluble in water? Sand, crushed soap, ink, milk. Insoluble is sand. Answer is sand. Fill in the blanks. Gases such as oxygen and carbon dioxide are blank in water. Answer है soluble. Question number 2. Fill in the blanks. Clean air and water are transparent. Gold and silver are blank material. Answer is lustrous. We group materials of blank and to study of their properties. Answer is convenience. Based upon the amount of light that can pass through materials, they can be classified as transparent, means a material through which light can pass or we can see, for example glass, are transparent, whereas opaque, a material through which light cannot pass or we cannot see, for example cardboard. Number 3. Translucent, a material through which some light can pass or we can see partially, for example, is wax paper. Define water soluble and insoluble substances. Give example of each. Substances which completely dissolve in water are called water soluble substances. For example, common salt, sugar are completely dissolved in water. Substances that do not dissolve in water are called insoluble substances. For example, sand, coke, and do not dissolve in water. Name 5 objects which can be made from wood. This is the question from NCERT textbook exercise. First question of your textbook. 5 objects that can be made from wood are table, chair, plough, wheel, bullock cart, and a cricket bat. Select those objects which shine: glass bowl, plastic toy, steel spoon, cotton wool. Question number 2. Answer. Objects which shine are steel spoon and glass bowl. Depending upon the quality of the plastic toy may also shine. Cotton wool, however, does not shine. Question number 3. Match the objects given below with the materials which they can be made. Remember, an object can be made from more than one materials and given materials can be used for making many objects. Object: book, paper, tumbler, glass and wood, chair, wood and plastic, toy, plastic and wood, shoes, leather and plastic. Question number 4. State whether the following statement are true or false. Stone is transparent while glass is opaque. Answer is false. A notebook has luster while eraser does not. Answer is true. Chalk dissolves in water. False. A piece of wood floats on water. True. Sugar does not dissolve in water. False. Oil mixes with water. False. Sand settle down in water. True. Vinegar dissolve in water. True. Question number 5. Given below are the names of the some objects materials. Group them as round shaped and other shaped. Be edible and inedible. Question number 5. Round shape basketball, orange, globe, apple, earth, pitcher. Other shape sugar, edible, water, sugar, orange, apple, inedible, basketball, globe, earthen, pitcher. Question number 6. List all items that can be think of and that floats on water. Find out if they will float on oil or kerosene. Dry leaves, wood pieces, cork pieces, wax, coconuts, coconut oil will floats on water. These objects except coconut oil also float on the surface of oil. Question number 7. Circle the odd one out. In first A, chair, bed, table, baby, cupboard. Answer is baby. Rose, jasmine, boat, marigold, lotus. Answer is boat. Aluminium, iron, copper, silver, sand. Answer is sand. Sugar, salt, coconut oil, copper sulfate. Answer is coconut oil. In this way, we are going to complete our lesson here. You are once again advised, please read the lesson 2-3 times at home. Please read the lesson loudly at home. Please write the question answer in your textbook. Read, write and learn the question answer. Thank you.